Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll take a look at the Seagull Flywheel watch, which I bought from AliExpress from the recent 15th anniversary sale. It's still on sale at the moment for £64, which I think is an absolute bargain. Took about a week to get to me, so really great delivery timing. What we do find is the instruction manual. Though if you ask me, this watch is tipped upside down, but here you go. It's a bit of a strange one, but yeah, this is how the watch looks. So this is the basic company bio, including the manual and how the watch works, and some QR codes for you to scan. Moving on to the watch itself, the dial. What you see here on the left is a date complication, and on the right is the power reserve of the watch, which, as you see at the moment, has about 20 hours power reserve. And obviously the selling point is that flywheel you see at the bottom at the 6 o'clock position. Now to wind the watch, that's how you obviously put the power up. You see the power going up on the watch from the 20 hours slowly. And to adjust the date complication, you need to actually, since you're right-handed, you probably need to flip the watch over to the side. Use a toothpick or something more sharpish, and then you got to press that button you see on the side there at the 8 o'clock position. That will, as you see, tick the date complication forwards. And once you get past the 31, it'll automatically flip back to number 1. Here we have the case back, a beautiful exhibition case back. You flip it to the side, you will see the flywheel in all its glory. Very classic dial. That's what really attracted me to this watch, to be honest. The leather strap has the Seagull imprint on it. It does say genuine leather. It is very stiff, so it does require a bit of breaking in, to be honest. Certainly when you first started wearing it, it's a little bit uncomfortable. So hopefully that will ease over time. Here's a close-up of the watch. Very pretty dial, very classic looking dial. That's what really attracted me to this watch. And also the price point, you know, it is £64. What amazing value. The ticking motion is beautiful. A perfect dress watch, you know, good for a lot of business occasions. It does carry the ST25 automatic movement, and as you can see from the sapphire crystal dome, it is a very flat piece of glass. The movement itself carries 45 hours power reserve. Very pretty to look at. Now let's do some quick measurements. First off, the width of the watch. I'm getting here 40 millimeters. A lug to lug of around 50 millimeters. The thickness, we have 13 millimeters. And it comes in weighing around 85 grams. The Seagull brand itself has a history of more than 60 years. It dates back to 1955. Well, actually, by that count, it's 70 years actually. It is one of the most famous Chinese brands, and it first came to the international stage, being exported around 1973. And this is how the watch looks outside, I do carry a 7-inch wrist. I think it sits quite beautifully on it. Very beautiful looking flywheel. That is the main attraction of this watch. I do like the power reserve as well, so you know when to wind it. And the back looks beautiful as well. This exhibition case back, you can see the flywheel there ticking away. 50 meters water resistance. As mentioned, again, a sapphire crystal glass on top, giving it, fantastic protection against all scratches. And certainly, if you like what you see so far, please do give me a like and subscribe. I hope to bring you more watch content like this in the future. The flywheel again. Stainless steel case. Just a beautiful looking timepiece. Final thoughts again, you really can't go wrong with this, right? That's £65 during this sale. You get it in a week. It's a fantastically beautiful dress watch, which you can take to most occasions. Hope you like what you see, and please do give me a like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.